so when we first moved into this house, one of the first things we did was tear up all the carpet. Josh,
upstairs.
yes, Josh got rid of all the carpet except our stairs. We left our runner because we weren't ready to replace it, and
It has gotten worse and worse because of 3 boys, mainly the oldest 2.
And so now it kind of sticks out like a sore thumb because it doesn't fit with anything else that we've done in the house. So we are ready to replace it.
Rip it out, replace it. I get to show you with just a couple of tools and a little bit of know-how what a handy man or a handy woman can do with those and a little elbow grease. Get this looking to what we've always dreamed. So I'm excited about
I'm excited.
this next step of our house, and
Here goes nothing.
yeah, here we go. Enjoy the journey with us.